In the last ENA video, I warned you about this exact dip right here and said exactly where I was shorted top, long the bottom. We can go on 30 minutes to see that, but the question is, look at this. Long here, shorted here. So the question is, what is going to happen right now? We have a few liquidation areas that we need to be aware of when it comes to ENA. I will not waste a second of your time, so just hit the like button and let's start. We're going to the liquidation heat map on the weekly chart and we want to see where are most of the liquidations right now. And we can see that a lot of them on the 30-minute, they're very easy to spot. They're exactly below this low and below above this high. So short half and longs have their liquidations very close. And when this happens, normally we go for both sides. So this will not be a very difficult price prediction. Basically, I'll short here, I'll long here, that's it. Confirmation will be longs closed or shorts closed. That's it. Longs closed for shorting here, longs closed for longing here. This is it on the lower time frame. On the higher time frame, things are a little different. So let's connect a few dots and see what the trend is. First of all, we want to make sure we understand that right now we are at this level. This level is an uptrend that we just broke into. So we're very likely, because of that, because of this break right here, we're very likely to test this high and go to the downside. So mostly bearish, and I want to mark that out right here. If we respect this trend line, basically we move, we test it, and we dump even more, that would be the ideal scenario. We've had, let me just show you another scenario like this. Basically, we had this long right here. You see, we pump, we retest, and we go up. So this is what we want to see on this high as well. Let me mark this with green. We want to see a dump, a retest, probably taking out these liquidations on the shorts and then having the real move to the downside. If you want to follow my trades on VOOX, currently I'm up 275 grand. And you can find my meme coin trades in the link in the description below. Also, there's a $20% deposit bonus on WEEX and a bunch of other bonuses that you can claim. Definitely worth checking out. There's a lot of cash prizes as well that you can claim, as you can see right here, and you use the rewards like the $10 to $100 coupon code if you use the link in the description down below. I've also discounted my course. You can find it in the description down below. Right now it's just 97 bucks. I have it in the description, and if you want to check it out, do so as fast as possible. Now it's just 97 bucks, which is pretty cheap. Also, I have my Signal chat in the description down below. See you next video. Bye.